A new image has been released by scientists, which shows the edge of a black hole for the first time ever. But what does it mean for us? This image was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, and is said to be the clearest view we've had of this mysterious cosmic object. It is helping us to understand how these objects work, but also warning us about their incredible power. Before we check out the latest findings, let's talk about where this image comes from. Black holes are some of the scariest objects in space. They have such a strong gravitational pull that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp once it passes the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return for any would-be escapees. If you were to cross over this boundary, you would never be seen again. The intense gravity near a black hole causes time to slow down significantly compared to an observer far away from the black hole. So if you were to fall into one, the last thing you would see is yourself getting older and older as time slowed to a halt for you, but not for everyone else. These strange objects are incredibly dense and heavy, but they don't actually have any physical size. That means if you tried to measure the length, width, or height of a black hole, you wouldn't be able to find anything. In fact, black holes can't really be observed directly at all because they don't emit any light. They're only visible when they interact with other matter, like when a star gets too close and begins to orbit around it. Even then, we can't actually see the black hole itself. All we can see is the effect it has on things around it. This makes them very difficult to study and leaves a lot of questions unanswered. Most importantly, we still don't know how they form in the first place. Scientists believe that they are born when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. When a star runs out of fuel, it loses the energy that was keeping it together and collapses under its own gravity. If the star is massive enough, this collapse can be so violent that nothing, not even light, can escape the newborn black hole's gravitational pull. And because nothing can escape a black hole, there's no way for us to observe what happens inside one. However, we do know that when something crosses the event horizon, it disappears from our sight forever. Scientists have been trying to capture an image of a black hole's event horizon for years now. In 2017, they succeeded in capturing the first ever image of a black hole's shadow. But this new image is much clearer and provides more information than any before it. The image was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of radio telescopes that work together to create one Earth-sized telescope. It is the largest and most powerful telescope in the world. The telescope is made up of 7 radio observatories around the globe, including the Almago Observatory in Chile and the Green Bank Observatory in West Virginia. Together, they form a virtual telescope over 17,000 miles wide. This allows them to capture images of objects in space with a resolution that is unprecedented. The image was captured of M87, a supermassive black hole located 55 million light-years away in the constellation of Virgo. It is one of the largest black holes ever discovered and weighs around 6.5 billion times the mass of our Sun. The image shows the edge of the black hole, S event horizon, as well as the swirling disk of gas and dust that surrounds it. The orange glow around the black hole is caused by the hot gas that is being pulled in towards it. As the gas gets closer to the event horizon, it heats up to millions of degrees Celsius. The material in this disk is moving at incredibly high speeds, up to half the speed of light. It emits a bright light as it is heated to extreme temperatures by friction. The light is then beamed out in all directions, giving the disk a ring-like appearance. This is known as accretion. As matter falls into the black hole, it forms a glowing disk of hot gas. The light emitted from this disk is what we see in the image. This image is helping scientists to understand how these strange objects work. It is also providing them with valuable information about the early days of the universe. Black holes are thought to have played a key role in the formation of galaxies. And by studying them, scientists hope to learn more about how galaxies evolved over time. One of the most interesting things about black holes is that they seem to defy the laws of physics as we understand them. Their gravity is so strong that it warps space and time around them. This creates a region of space where the rules of physics are different from those we experience on Earth. By studying this region, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of the fundamental nature of reality. The image was captured using a technique known as Very Long Baseline Interferometry, or VLBI. This technique allows multiple telescopes to combine their forces and create one Earth-sized telescope. This makes it possible to capture images with a resolution that is much higher than that of any single telescope. The data for the image was collected over several nights in 2017, using 7 radio telescopes around the world. The telescopes were coordinated using a network of atomic clocks to ensure that the data collected was synchronized. Once the data was collected, it was processed using a technique known as self-calibration. This allowed the team to remove the effects of any instrumental noise and obtain a clean image of M87. In addition to the image, the team also released a number of other products, including movie clips and animated flybys. These were created using a 3-dimensional model of M87 that was developed by the team. The model is based on the image and other data that has been collected about the black hole. The movie clips and flybys provide a stunning visualization of what it might look like to travel through space near a black hole. The image and other products were released to the public. On May 12, 2022, the release was highly anticipated by the scientific community and the general public alike. Many experts have praised the clarity of the image and the insights it is expected to provide. Some have even called it a new window into the universe. There is still much that we don't know about black holes, but this image is a step in the right direction. It is helping us to understand these objects better and to unlock the secrets of the universe. It is important to note that despite the incredible power of black holes, they are not all-consuming monsters. They are simply objects in space with a strong gravitational pull. In fact, there are many stars and other objects in the universe that have a stronger gravitational pull than black holes. However, what makes black holes so unique is their size. Because they are so dense and massive, their gravitational pull is extremely strong. This is what makes them so dangerous, and also what makes them so fascinating to scientists. As we continue to explore the universe, we will undoubtedly come across more black holes. In fact, there may be one at the center of our very own galaxy. With each new discovery, we will learn more about these amazing objects and the role they play in the universe. We may even find that they are not as scary as we think. Maybe they are simply a part of the natural order of things. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to bringing you more videos that explore the mysteries of the universe. Till next time, keep looking up.